So thank you very much for deciding to join me in this course. In this small lesson right here, we're going to discuss about the class project. As you will see, we're going to go through everything you need to know in order to successfully shoot and edit videos with your GoPro. So the class project that I chose to assign to you for this course is, as I mentioned in the introduction, the creation of a 30-second edit, shot and edited, of course, by you using your action cameras. Now I'm going to give you complete creative freedom when it comes to the content of this video. It can be a bike edit in which you just took your GoPro and your bicycles to the trail to mountain bike. It could be a sea or a beach or a swimming edit, and it could even be a video edit of you making breakfast. Literally anything goes. I strongly suggest everyone to give it a go and complete this class project, because at the end of the day, in order to really seal the knowledge that you acquire through those lessons, you need to take your GoPro, go out, shoot, and experiment. Also note that I will be personally reviewing every single class project and leaving feedback for you guys. Even if you don't own a GoPro, you don't have to worry, because I will attach at the description of this course a link which will enable you to download my footage so you can follow us in the editing process. When you're done with the class project, make sure to upload it in the class project section of the course to make it visible to me, of course, and other students to be inspired from it. Now I think that we're ready to start to master our small cameras, so let's start with the hardware.